We're gonna make rescue float planes.
And you guys got those from
Home Depot.
Home Depot. Yeah, every first Saturday of the month, they give out a free packet that you can put together something. And this month it was a rescue float plane.
Let's start opening them.
Okay.
I need help with mine, Daddy.
Of course.
Okay. First, you get the instructions.
Yep, gotta get the instructions.
Oh, ooh, there's instructions on the back too.
Yep, lots of work to do. All right, and they each got a new pin. So for the October one, perfect. All right, so the directions say that first we have to put this on. So those are the motors, and we're gonna put 2 screws on each side.
This is so hard.
Here, I'll hold it for you.
Hey,
Yep, doing a good job.
I think
Evie, you ready? It's your turn next. Yeah? Okay. Michael's doing good. Okay, so you got them all screwed in.
yeah.
Dad had to help you get them all the way tight. And now, Evie, it's your turn here. So here you go. Ooh, yep, move that. I wonder if that's how that goes or not. Then can you put it? Good. And then turn it the same direction. There you go. Do your best.
Uh-oh.
Awesome. You did a great job.
Yeah.
So that's the wings and the motors, and then the next step, we have to screw it onto the body piece. Is that how you think that it goes?
Yeah.
Not quite, but that's okay. We'll figure it out.
I think we go like this.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Let's see. So the directions say that we put it this way. Okay. And then there's a line on it. And then we put it right up to that line, and then we'll screw in there on the top. Okay. Good job. All right, Michael's turn. A little bit harder. Just a little. Okay. No, just a little. There. Now the other one.
Be careful to not break this.
Yep. You want Dad to get that one the last way?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, do the other one. Hit it just, there you go. Okay. Now we need to flip it over, and then we're gonna put those feet on. So,
It looks like
do you,
an airplane already, but without wheels on the back, and it looks like it's upside down airplane with only wings on the bottom.
yeah.
And it only looks like that's the front.
So, we have to put the feet on that you were playing with before, right? So this has a nail hole in the bottom. Do you see that?
Yeah.
And then right here it shows where a nail hole is gonna go. So that's our next step. So can you get it lined up there? And actually it wants us to use one of the long screws. Yep.
Yeah.
So there you go. Get it started. Do you want to use the screwdriver again? It's over here. You can start it. You start, I'll help Evie.
No, I can do it.
You can do it?
Twisting.
So do we have it lined up yet? There, that's the part that I did for Michael. I helped line it up.
Twisting and twisting everything. No. Twisting. Go on here.
Will it push in? Here, let's use the table to help me. Push down, we'll go. Well, it shouldn't break. All right, we got it. Now can you put this in there?
Mommy, will we go down deal after this?
Wow, that definitely looks like a plane now, huh?
Yeah, but not.
Yep, not done yet, right?
Not done, guys. It's hard to not get the fin.
Yep, and these we don't want to screw all the way tight anyway because we want them to still spin.
Mom.
If you go all the way tight, then they're not going to move very well. You're doing good. The floaties on.
Folders on. Flip it upside down. Do the folders.
Oh, not yet.
And now
Daddy has to do these first.
Mine? Waiting.
Yeah, we're gonna put your propellers on next, and then you can do the floaties. You can do your floaties right now if you want.
I have to squeeze mine.
Yeah, like Michael is.
Then squeezy, squeezy, squeezy. I'm squeezy, squeezy, squeezy. Squeezy. Right.
And then the directions say that we can paint it if we want, or we can just put the stickers on.
Stickers on.
You want just stickers? All right.
Yeah, baby, here's the other one.
Ooh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mommy. I put me.
Good job.
Wait. Is this where it goes?
You can put them wherever you want.
What?
If you want them on the wing, that's fine. The only one that really matters is the one that goes on the front, because that's supposed to look like a window. Other
You
one?
can put it on this part. There you go. Here's
Yeah.
another one. Should we wait for Daddy to take a video of you this one?
Yeah.
Perfect. Right on the side of the tail fin there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that.
Good job. That looks great. Okay, show everybody your
Done. Woo.
awesome. Your rescue seaplane.
I'm not ready yet.
You're not ready yet?
No.
Okay.
Woo.
Almost done.
And it goes so far. And I need to keep going more because I'm not sure. I'm not done. I just need a little more though.
All done.
Yep, you got all the stickers, even the in-between parts.
I'm ready.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
So that's your finished seaplane?
Yeah.
Awesome. What did you guys think about putting it together? Was it pretty easy?
Yeah. Amazing.
It was amazing?
And yes, with more strawberries.
So-
This one is boop, boop,
Yep, that one comes
and
apart.
then boop, boop, and then boop, and then lips.
So every month, Home Depot does something different. Again, it's on the first Saturday of the month. And we don't have any say in what the project is, but if you had to pick something, what would be what you want the project to be next month?
A rolling dinosaur car.
Ooh, that sounds awesome. Evie, do you have any ideas that you'd like to see next month?
Princess.
A princess?
A princess we built.
Okay, well, I don't know if it's going to be either one of those things, but I bet you it'll be fun. So should we try to grab these again next month?
Yeah.
All right, can you guys say bye?